Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show you how to make this awesome logo in Inkscape. So guys, this is very simple and this is made using tricks. So guys, let's start. First, you have to draw a text using line tool. You can choose this setting. I think this is not okay. Now we have to draw it again. Set the outline size. Full screen. Now create a text using line tool. Draw it again. I know you can make better than me. So guys, create this text according to your need. Now we have to set outline. Enable the outline from here and choose this setting. Now you can modify by using node edit tool. We have to convert it to path. Then we can modify by node edit tool. I am making two grid line so I can create my text better. Modify it. Snap with this line. You can delete some unwanted nodes. Mm, repeat the same tricks. Please draw it carefully and you can make your own style. Now modify this one. So guys, we almost completed our text. Some final touch. I think this is okay. delete this guideline. Now create a small circle, go to path and convert it to path. Now select this one and go to path and click on convert it to path. Now fill with gradient color, edit the gradient. Now this is okay. Now hold on shift key and click here and remove the outline. Resize it. Now select these two and go to extension and click on this option. You can see the preview. Sometime you will face error, but use the setting. Again we have to reduce the amount from here. Again we have to change it. I think this is okay, but we have to make some space between text. You can face this type of problem, but don't worry, we will modify our text. I think this is okay, but you are not satisfied with your design. You have to modify your basic text that we have drawn. So I'm showing you again. I am reducing the size of this circle and modifying this text. I am making some space between these character so we can make our design with more thickness. Select it carefully and make the space between character. You can also select one by one all the nodes. Now select these two again, go to extension and click on this option. Apply it, or you can see the live preview and you can modify it from here. I think this is okay, and if you are not satisfied, you can make better than me. And please subscribe my channel, and thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.